Alright, so what I got in those boxes is I ordered the new bags for my motorcycle, because these ones, even though they work, they're too small. Cannot fit that much stuff there. I think in total you pay like $700 for these two. You buy them together, but you cannot fit too much things. It's pretty much, it's better than having to wear a backpack, but you cannot carry that much stuff. So I'm gonna change the booty for the bigger bags. See how this turns out. Stay tuned. Let's see. This is the before. Ooh. Whatever time it takes me to replace the new bags. The only thing that you have to order the bags, and I'm gonna replace also, I'm gonna move the turn signals. So you gotta buy that thing too, not just the bags. The bags come together, $150 I think it is. Then this is about $180. So you end up spending close to $1,100 with tax, at least here in Mass. If you live in a place that they don't charge tax, well, it's a little less. All right, stay tuned. Well, let's open the first box and see what we got in here. So like I said, this is to relocate the lights. So I don't think I'm gonna do like a tutorial thing. This is just opening this stuff, because then I don't think this is too crazy to install. It doesn't bring any instructions, so when they don't bring instructions, I guess it's something simple. And this is the bags. So this one definitely are gonna look way better. I hope so. And wow, they're really, really big. Which is what I want. You know, it's what I want. So I can fit stuff. Wow, way bigger. Just for comparison. Let's hold this. Look at this. Look at this. Well, like I said, this is not gonna be a tutorial, so this is just the before and after of the bags. So let's see how it looks. I will stay tuned to see the after. Well, I finished. Took me a while, but actually putting these bags are really easy. I don't know why Indian had to design that you have to add this other stuff. Let's say if they were the older lights were a little bit back behind, you only need 2 screws, boom, this is installed. So easy, but this was a little more tricky to do. Still gotta connect the camera here. But you need a Allen wrench 5. I didn't have the correct angle, so it was really difficult for me to remove that part, the old part. And like I said, if you have the right tools, it's not that crazy. But then these bags, let's say if Indian didn't have to add this thing, it's just 2 screws, boom, that's it. And if you're trying to get bags, definitely just save the money for these bigger bags. There are more room. The little ones pretty much useless. You cannot fit too much stuff there. And no, so this is the look now. So it looks this baby. What do you guys think? Let me turn it on. Guys, in the next. Vamos a volver.